Hello friends, I'm your host Zach and I welcome all of you to the Trade Tier TV YouTube channel and I request all of you if you have not subscribed to Trade Tier TV YouTube channel yet then subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification of the latest videos updates. Friends, as you all know, TradeTier.net is a technical analysis website where you can get lots of information related to cryptocurrency, market updates, signals, trends, and more. TradeTier.net is a platform that makes your trading experience even more fun as well as provide you with a loss-free trading experience. Friends, in the last video session, we learned how to subscribe to the various signal packages of TradeTier.net. In that order, today we will learn how to get the benefit of multi-level referral system of signal packages. So let's start now with multi-level referral plan description. Friends, as we told you, inside TradeTA.net, you can earn referral income and much more through multi-level referral system. For example, after buying any package, you first get a TTA token at a value of 10% of that package and 10% is fixed with each package. Packages and PVs. A fixed point value is also included with each package, which is 40% of that package price. For example, if you buy a signal package of $30, you will get 12 point values and 1 point value means $1. Then according to 12p, which is point value, you get 12 value of point value. Along with this, you also get referral incomes, which are various types. And if you initially refer any three people in your downline and motivate them to buy a package, then you get 10% direct referral income per referral in return of buying their package. And there is also a binary unit income in lieu of two references. It is compulsory to do referral placement in the ratios of 1 is to 2 in your downline to qualify binary income. For this, there is a one referral in your down left and two referral compulsories in your down right. In this way you can get binary income till unlimited levels. In this way, TradeTA not give only the opportunity of income through cryptocurrency signals but also offers the option of multi-level binary referral income through which you can earn in millions. So that's all for today's. Guys, in the next video, I will be among you again with good information. Till then, take care, be safe, be careful, and strictly follow the safety protocols of COVID-19. Thank you.